Hello and welcome to Instant Node. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get App Store back on iPhone. So let's get started with the video. It might be the reason that your App Store is not showing on home page. So it might be in the app library. Just swipe right until you get to the app library. Here you need to search for App Store and hold it for 2 seconds and then click on Add to Home Screen. So once you click on that, your App Store will get added to your home screen. If it does not show in your app library, there might be the setting issue. Click on Settings. Once you click on that, you need to scroll down and click on Screen Time. So once you click on Screen Time, here you need to scroll down and you will find an option of Content and Privacy Restriction, and then click on iTunes and App Store Purchases. So the reason why it's not showing on your app library is because you have clicked on don't allow options for all the three. So you need to make sure that all the three options has been set to allow: installing app, deleting app, and in-app purchases. If this also do not solve the issue, just toggle off content and privacy restrictions, so there will be not any kind of restrictions in your app store. The next thing which you can do is again head back to the settings, and after that you can go to the general settings and then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Here you have to click on reset home screen layout. There might be an issue with the home screen layout, so just reset it once and check if the issue is resolved or not. If it's not resolved, what you can do is you can again come to this option and go to reset all settings. This will not delete any of the data or files from your phone, but will reset all the apps and applications. It will ask for your passcode, enter that and reset it. And after that, again you need to go to the app library and check if App Store is available or not. If App Store is available there, you can again hold it and get it back to your home page. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.